Alright, so it's day number 2 in my inventory management digital course launching. So today is Tuesday, July 16. I'll be launching on July 20th. And that's actually a day before my birthday. It's July 21. So Saturday is July 20. My birthday is July 21. Alright, so I have posted my first, vlog or day in life vlog for the first time after years. I think the last time was during the, middle of COVID lockdowns. We all have nothing to do. So I tried it. So now, just putting my content or my personal brand to the next level. So just introduce longer form content, make your personal brand more dynamic or innovative. Anyway, so I'm doing a 30-minute boxing workout. So in the past couple of days, I've been doing, low body workouts like running. Yesterday, I did some squats. Supposedly today is hinge, but I figured I have to balance it out. So I'm just doing some boxing thing for about 30 minutes. Just an aerobic, fat burning zone pace. So I used to, again, follow Nate Bauer in YouTube. So I just follow his workouts. So I learned to do this rapping also during the pandemic. So I'm gonna do this today. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back to my not weightlifting, but a functional body workout with Marcus Philly. So there's a lot of things today in the office. But yeah, I'll try to be mindful of my workout today. Right. Okay, so I'll start. Anyway. I woke up 2 a.m. today. Slept at around 9:30. So wasn't able to sleep back. So I did some Netflix and chill. Hello. What's your workout today?
I don't know yet. I'm planning to. I don't know.
Okay. So I've been awake for about 3 hours now. Almost 3 hours.
Hold your little box accommodation, confidence, and your hand. Let's get it done. It's the fun one. Here. All right, champions, round number one, you build up the pony. You're going to work the double jab to start. Then you're adding that 2-3, the cross lead hook. Just build easy work. We'll pick up the pace on part two. Double jab to start. Then we add in the 2-3. But first, let's work the double jab. Let's go. Now, as we work this double jab, move around a little bit. Take your time with it. Remember, we're going to build off this. The double jab is the 1-1. And we'll step it a little bit. With a strong stance. With that right hand. Nice and high. It's okay to come fight a little bit. Then you work that double jab. If this right hand's over here, it's okay. And then lift the wall, set it back in.
I've been doing boxing for about 3 years now.
This is your build-up round.
Or maybe 4.
Now, add the cross, lead hook, cross, lead hook.
Today is just light
1,
intensity.
2, 3, cross, lead hook. Double jab, strong position, cross hook. You got that? Yeah, that's the one. Now I want you to flow through this. Think a little more fight pace. Let's go.
Okay, so day 2 na of my vlog, YouTube vlog. I'm back pagbablog. But anyway, it's day 2 of my course creation for my inventory management digital course with cost accounting. So I'm just documenting the journey this week. Para ma-release ko yung course at least hanggang module 2 kasi module 2 may assignments. Actually, I already have finished filming it yesterday. I think na-vlog ko naman yun.
Congratulations.
And then I already have a deck and some notes for the module number 3. Okay, so I'm just thinking of ways kasi na to give them an assignment dun sa module 2 so they can work on it for about a week before I release module 3. Yeah, kasi module 3 is more on the optimization of your inventory. Then if they don't have data, they have nothing to work on. So sayang naman, di ba? So it's really it's kind of like a workshop type of a course.
Okay, so they have something to answer pala.
Yeah. So ilalak ko muna natin yung module 3 onwards. So bawat module per week na release, there's gonna be an assignment, worksheet or whatever.
Interesting.
Ayun, so other than that, think kahapon it's funny because we filmed highlight of the day yesterday. Kaya lang wala palang audio. It's a joke. So I'm telling it now. Highlight of the day yesterday was the filming of module 2. I think tapos na rin ni Kay, my VA, yung editing ng module 2, so I just need to review it. And then your highlight was finishing the landing page of
The QuickBooks workshop.
Okay, QuickBooks workshop.
That's gonna be at the playground co-working space.
Yes.
In Pasig.
Yeah, tentatively on July 27, that's a Saturday. So, the week after my birthday celebration. But we're contemplating on doing it on August 3 instead. So, we have a lead time for the promotion.
That's right.
Alright, so, yeah. But at least tapos na, no? May video ba tayo doon?
Well, we can launch one.
Video ads. Yeah, I can just let you know. I'm your resource speaker.
Nice.
So gamitin mo lang ako ng gamitin.
Nice.
So for today, I just finalized the module 3, module 2 exercise, module 3, and then the revisions for module number 4. Okay. Module 2 kasi is more on the recording techniques of inventory and audit, inventory accuracy. Module 3 is more on the
Oh no.
maintaining an optimal inventory. So yeah, that's it. Ano ba bang highlight ko today? Oh yeah, so I
We're
have
busy again at the playground because we have guests.
oh yeah, we have to, when we arrive in a moment, yeah, ayusin natin yung creative space because there's gonna be some guests from Australia ba?
Yeah.
Australia. Uy, tama, we have a Mulu Mulu coffee. I don't know if they tried, did the Australian try the ano ba?
I'm
Mulu
not
Mulu.
sure.
Ah.
Not yet.
Yesterday, okay. So that, and then I have a meeting again with no, this time is with the e-commerce fulfillment. Well, back of my time naman is spent with Payo, no? So it's an e-commerce fulfillment and warehousing. That's my priority. So I just do the courses and all that super early in the morning or in the weekends, diba? But yeah, so Payo is my like bread and butter and day to day. Well, just to share, we have tentative travel plans mid next month.
Next year.
Kasi our last travel was almost a year ago. No, Canada and America.
Yeah.
So this time hopefully Europe, but this is like a biglaan travel lang, just to take some rest for a bit, refresh, restart, so that, say, we've been so aggressive since late last year with the launching of Playground, and of course during the launch and some tweaking, optimization of the concept. So now, yeah, may mga upcoming plans or concepts like events, workshops, clubs, quote unquote memberships. Wala pang final, but we're gonna fine tune it hopefully before we leave, and implement it or launch it when we get back.
Yeah. So many things to look forward to, actually.
Yeah. It's always better to have things to look forward to
Yeah, I learned that.
than nothing.
Yeah. 100%.
I just like the idea talaga of documenting or recording everything. Para pagka matanda na tayo, ugod-ugod na, oh, that's us. Oh my
Ba't
God.
kailangan ugod-ugod na? Pwede matanda lang.
Oh, sige, fine.
Matanda.
Pag matanda na tayo, talagang retired na talaga, 100% retired. May mga apo na, ganun. Apo, panoorin natin yung
Medyo na.
diba? Let's watch our video in Baguio.
Nice.
Alright. So, yeah. Sige, so we'll catch up with you later after our breakfast. Our highlight.
Yep.
Alright, dun muna tayo sa booking na tumawag lang yung client na tinatamad siya mag-book. Pwede bang kayo na mag-book? So, dito lang yun sa appointments.
Sana di okay din.
Or like for example, may nakabook ngayon, new appointment tayo.
So, kailangan mag-login sila dyan sa the playground?
No. Sila. Yung mga tayo. Okay. So, create new. Ano ba pangalan nung nakabook dito? Si
Mona Moreno.
Mona. Gagawa ko na lang ng paraan to later. Yung pag sign up nila, automatic papupunta dito. So, okay. Category, spaces, service, conference room. Conference room sila bukas, di ba?
May report din po yun.
Dito, finance.
Oh! So, di ka na
Sino ka dyan?
Di ka na mag-manual.
Paano pag paid na?
Kaya lang pending is pending. So, details. Payment. Paano ko ba yung paano? Pending status eh.
Baka pag paid na siya doon, automatic siya.
Dapat matag siya as paid. Yun. Paid.
Yun!
Love it.
Idol!
Question.
Teka, bayad na ba to?
Di pa, di ba?
Hindi ba?
Di pa.
Pag si Mars na nag-uwi.
Good. Morning, Sian. Can we start or shall we wait for Gino and Jowo? So, we called for this meeting because of the concerns of Leia dun sa billing. So, this is just an alignment with Ops and IT and Leia when it comes to the billing process moving forward. So, yung pressing issue kasi natin right now is that yung Salesforce natin was just deactivated, but the AWS is still alive. So since yesterday, we tried extracting yung mga ship bills natin. So the question is, how do we tag the status of those orders? If I'm not mistaken, it's you, Sian, was updating it sa Salesforce, tama ba? Wala nga yung Salesforce. Most likely, this will be done manually via G-Sheet. Via G-Sheet ba? Or do we need to upload it first to Genie, tag the status there, tapos... So sa Marketplace, I think sa Marketplace may process na tayo ngayon, Leia, di ba? With Ann. Ganun na nga lang yung process. No? So, clear ba yun, Sian or Leia? On our way home.
Early.
Yeah, I'm not in my A game today.
Not in your element.
Yeah, there's a lot of distractions. Well, for one, like I said, medyo na busy ako sa Payo, e-commerce fulfillment. A lot of meetings, tasks to do. Tapos there's a lot of guests in the co-working space, a playground. So, which is a good problem. But yeah, supposedly I should be writing module 4 of the inventory course. But di pa naman talaga ako delayed or late because still have the release of July 20 is only module 1 and 2. Then after a week would be module 3, which I believe I should be recording tomorrow or early morning. Tama ba? Yeah. Yes, nalilito na ako.
Wednesday.
Yeah. And that, in any case, that those module 3 videos should be released next week pa naman. So I'm still on track. But of course, the exercises for module 2 I have to write and record tomorrow. Still on track, but siguro na OOC lang. You know me, I'm always trying not to be too hard on myself if I don't meet things that I plan. The highlight of the day are some, basically the day to day. How about you?
Well, I did a lot of stuff today. But did I
Yeah.
get
You did a lot of
takes?
takes
From
of a 30-second video.
Like maybe I did about
1,000
15
takes.
Be able to pull it off, but
Yeah. But that's for another business, the window blinds business. Yeah, just to share, we are a distributor of window blinds business here in Batangas. Actually, has been our family business ever since the world began. Right, so yeah, still there are things that I miss to do because of distractions, but it's fine. Don't get too hard on yourself. Tomorrow is another day,
another chance at life.
another chance in life. Yes, yeah. And there are a lot of foreign guests from Australia. By BPO, are they BPOs? No.
I think so.
How come they come here in the province? That's what I'm wondering about. Why not in Manila?
Because all their staff are from Batangas, and
Oh.
they didn't want to, like, cause and their training is like for 1 week, and it's much more costly, I think, if they're gonna be staying at the hotel, all of them, for
Are
1
they-
week.
Like, are they doing trainings?
Yes.
Ah,
it's
those.
it's the first time that they're meeting this their employees, I think.
Okay. So for context, they booked
Can I do
they booked the conference room for a week. So our conference room fit 10 to 15
Mhm.
people.
Mhm.
So they booked that for the entire week to do the training. So these are virtual assistants, tama ba?
No, I think
Freelancers, or
freelancers. I don't know.
they hired it directly. So I'm just wondering, how did they know that the labor rates in the province is cheaper than Manila?
No, they met somebody from Batangas, and this one, she's in charge of building her own team here in the Philippines.
Okay.
And she chose all Batangueñas.
So they happen to be in Batangas,
Yes.
the girl. Okay, that makes sense. That's making sense. Okay.
She wanted her teammates to all be Batangueñas.
Yeah.
So like that.
So they might be a long-term client,
Yes. Hopefully,
especially that the bosses already know that they have the
the
playground.
option to work at the playground.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
I think it was raised to them like once a week. Oh, no, not maybe not once a week. Once a month, they would have to report to an office, something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, it is good to know. Okay. Well, too much things to do and excitement. So tomorrow is our last chance to do things in the playground, the courses and whatnot. Because Thursday and Friday we're gonna be in Manila for some meetings, a lot of meetings internally with Tayo. So yeah. And then, are we staying there?
Yes, most likely. If you have meetings like Thursday
Okay.
and Friday, and hopefully I can be able to pick up the orders for the blinds.
Oh, the blinds, yes.
Yes. To be installed this weekend, and then there's like back-to-back things happening, on the weekend. The
Ay,
events.
birthday party. It's my birthday
Yeah. Oh,
party.
by the way, we need to buy pala yung mga alcohol. As stock
Oh, yeah.
dun sa ating rack and for consumption.
So we have to be back by Friday so we can see the progress in the construction.
Yes, that's correct.
Again, for context, we are doing some renovations in the reception area of the playground. Then we were making it like a cafe vibe. So instead of a
Bar and
reception, how do you call that, reception counter, we converted it into a bar, cafe, and events at night, liquor and beer. So it's a cafe feel if you want to do your work in a cafe environment. And then when you enter the main room, it's gonna be a co-working space feel. So if you want premium coffee, go to the cafe. Then if you want to have focus, semi-private booths, it has to be in the main area. That's nice. So Friday you have to be there, and then we're gonna buy inventory of the
I think it's
drinks.
better if you buy it in Manila because it's
Manila?
cheaper there.
Really?
Like cash and carry. Yeah.
Okay. At least we have a plan. I mean, we have something to do in Manila instead of just walking around the mall. All right. So for today, I'm hoping to complete later my 1.5 hour 10k steps in a form, kasi kanina I did 30 minutes in a form of boxing, and then I still have to do 1 hour, so I'm thinking rowing, but procrastination I believe will win.
No, I think you better rest because you were like awake since 1 a.m. around 2
Oh, yeah.
a.m. That's why you have low energy today.
Yeah, that's the thing about life, man. To balance the physical, mental, emotional work. So physically, I think I feel I still have energy, but I just realized,
Did you see that kid?
I just realized I'm underslept. Is there such a word? Underslept.
Overslept and underslept. You wanna try Lucky Bird, the new restaurant?
It's 3 p.m. man. You want?
I don't know. No.
Still full?
Okay.
Alright, sounds good. So we'll see. At least we were able to do the
Hopefully it's recorded. this time.
the highlight of the day, because yesterday we missed it because the mic was not recording. Alright, see you in the next one.
Peace and love.